Traditional manned rotorcraft operations face critical limitations, high operational costs, limited endurance, and vulnerability in contested environments. We need persistent, autonomous platforms that supplement manned helicopter capability at a fraction of the cost. Platforms that reduce human risk, accelerate data-to-decision timelines, operate in extreme conditions, and prepare our workforce for the AI-driven future. The HT-100 accelerates mission execution across every phase of operations, delivering manned helicopter capability without the manned helicopter costs or limitations. 6 hours of flight time and 370-mile range while carrying a 50-pound payload. The Swiss-engineered 20-horsepower turbine engine burns just 2.37 gallons per hour of Jet A1, JP5, or JP8 fuel, maintaining performance in temperatures from -25 to 55 degrees Celsius where battery-powered systems fail, with a maximum payload of 130 pounds. Fully autonomous takeoff, landing, terrain following, and return to home eliminate manual piloting bottlenecks. The modular plug-and-play avionics system seamlessly integrates mission-critical sensors, EOIR, LiDAR, SAR, SIGINT, hyperspectral, and more. Fully encrypted mesh IP data links supporting LTE and SATCOM deliver intelligence up to 124 miles away, instantly. From intelligence and surveillance to search and rescue, infrastructure inspection to battlefield logistics, the HT-100 adapts rapidly. Its 15-minute setup time means responding to emergencies immediately. The HT-100 represents frontier technology that sets new benchmarks in autonomous aviation. State-of-the-art automatic flight control systems with 4 actuator redundancy enable fully autonomous missions with complex reasoning and planning. If radio contact or GPS is lost, the system autonomously executes return to base, demonstrating real-time problem-solving that rivals manned aircraft. Efficient dual intermeshing Flettner rotors eliminate the tail rotor, reducing vibration for stable sensor platforms and clearer data capture. Full carbon composite structure ensures longevity and high performance while maintaining a lightweight 143-pound empty weight. With auto-rotation capability and intelligent safety systems, the platform maintains airworthiness even in component failures. In contested environments, encrypted mesh network topology eliminates single points of failure. The platform maintains mission capability when GPS is denied or communications are jammed, projecting power through robust detect and avoid systems and intelligent redundancy. AeroVision Global delivers the HT-100 with comprehensive support that ensures your investment translates to operational success from day one. Our in-country MRO capabilities mean rapid response times, local parts availability, and technicians who understand your mission requirements. No waiting for overseas support. We're here when you need us. From mission planning to emergency procedures, we ensure your personnel are fully prepared to maximize the HT-100's capabilities. Our team works directly with you to configure payload options, optimize mission profiles, and integrate the HT-100 into your existing operational infrastructure. Whether you need specialized ISR configurations, cargo delivery systems, or custom sensor packages, we provide the expertise to match technology to mission. At 2.37 gallons per hour fuel consumption, with minimal staffing requirements and low maintenance overhead, the HT-100 transforms your operational economics. The modular architecture means your platform evolves. Add new sensors, upgrade software capabilities, integrate emerging technologies without replacing the core system. Your investment grows with your mission requirements. AeroVision provides the information and access you need to make informed decisions. The ANAVIA HT-100 solves the problems of legacy systems, accelerates mission execution with unmatched endurance and capability, and advances the state-of-the-art in autonomous aviation. AeroVision Global provides complete lifecycle support for our American operators. This is more than a platform, it's mission transformation backed by a partnership that ensures your success. Contact AeroVision Global today to schedule your demonstration and discover what's possible with the HT-100.